Okay, go. Oh, that was good.
Let me do it again.
All right.
I could have been an actress.
All right, one more boy. Calm down. Calm down. No.
Now you think about me just taking it and dropping it?
Well, no, what I'm saying is like grab the axe and just drop it like you're dropping the gun. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know when someone shoots that last bullet and they just drop the gun and walk off like a G?
Keep saying. Like this one.
So,
Like basically throw it
yeah,
down.
just like,
Okay.
I'm done with it. There you go. Walk off like a G. Like a G, there it is. Thug life.